किसी का घर रेंट पे लिया होता है, ठीक है. सो टेनेंट, मिस्टर नाथ इज द टेनेंट ऑफ मे बी देयर नेबर्स. तो ये बहुत स्ट्रेंज लुक का एक मैन है. ही इज हैविंग स्कार्स ऑन हिज फेस. स्कार्स क्या होते हैं? मेनी मार्क्स ऑन द फेस. ही इज लिविंग अलोन. He doesn't talk to anyone. He has no friends at all. So he is a very strange man. और निशाद is a normal kind of boy. उसको लगता है कि ये बहुत पुअर मैन है. ही इज नॉट हैविंग एनी मनी टू ईट. बट माया, शी इज अ डिटेक्टिव काइंड ऑफ गर्ल, ठीक है. उसके अंदर एक डिटेक्टिव हिडन है. शी ऑलवेज थिंक्स दैट ही इज अ क्रिमिनल. उसको लगता है कि ये क्रिमिनल है. ही हैज रन फ्रॉम द पुलिस कस्टडी. ये पुलिस से बच के आया हुआ और कहीं से भाग के आया है. एंड ही इज हैविंग मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज इन हिज ट्रंक. Not only rupees, he is having jewelry also, gold, silver, बहुत कुछ उसके ट्रंक में भरा हुआ है, ठीक है. So according to Maya, ये प्रॉब्लम है. और निशाद को लगता है he is a poor man, ठीक है. Now they both are doubtful. Now next we'll read that what happens next in the story. Okay. So third page. So Ipsa, you can start from here till here. Loudly, please, ठीक है.
So here the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. I suggested. Seven looked unsure. On Monday, following Mama's birthday, Seven went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon. As I was spending the evening with a school friend, when they returned, Nishad told me that he had been to see Mr. Nath and had felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was starving. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath."
So perhaps the police had to set his house on the fire to force him out. Wait a second. Devang, why are you scribbling on the screen? Okay. Okay, now perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. Ab next guess kya Maya ka? That police had set his house on fire. उन्होंने वहां पे आग लगा दी होगी ताकि वो बाहर आ जाए अपने घर से. ओके. सो आई सजेस्टेड. Seven looked unsure. So Seven है, he is still doubtful. Nishad is not ready to believe that Mr. Nath is a criminal. Okay. So on the Monday following Mama's birthday, Seven went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon as I was spending the evening with the school friend. So Maya is at home. She's spending time with her friend, and this boy Nishad, he has gone to clinic with his mother. Okay. So clinic कहाँ पे है? गिरगांव में एक जगह है, ठीक है. When they returned, Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. When Nishad came back, he told Maya that today I just got opportunity to see Mr. Nath. Now Maya was very much annoyed that why I also didn't go there. अब उसको पछतावा हो रहा है कि मुझे भी जाना चाहिए था, as she really wanted to see Mr. Nath's face. Okay. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. Gaunt beta sickly लिखा ही हुआ है इस पे. So Seven जो है Nishad, he is very upset because Mr. Nath was a very thin man and he was looking sick. Ravjot, क्या सोच रहे हो बेटा? Are you listening? Okay, I'll ask you a question. Just give me 1 minute. And he was sure that he was starving. Now Nishad was sure that he is not having much food to eat and he was starving. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and opened the door quickly, Mr. Nath. अब उसने नाथ के वो घर तक पहुंच गया, ये निशाद, ठीक है, just to have a look. Now he knocked the door and he asked Mr. Nath to open the door. Now Ravjot, please. Ravjot, please close your book. What was the another guess of Maya that how he got the scars on his face? स्कार्स कैसे आए? सबसे पहली चीज आज हमने यही पढ़ी है, हाउ ही गॉट स्कार्स अकॉर्डिंग टू माया। समृद्धि, लाउडली, 1 मिनट के लिए। हाँ, ओके फाइन, वेल डन, सिट डाउन प्लीज। ओके नेक्स्ट, कसक। कसक, who went to clinic and who stayed at home? Close your book please. मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा and you are reading? Yes. Who went to clinic and who is staying at home? Okay, she's staying at home. Why she is staying at home? Okay, well done. Sit down, please. Madhav. Why Maya felt annoyed when Nishad came back home? Why she is upset? 1 second, please. Harmeet. Why Maya is upset when Nishad came back home from clinic? Well done, excellent. Okay. So, Ravjot, Harmeet and Madhav. So, offline class में आना doesn't mean that you are sitting here actually. अभी भी आप online ही हो कहीं पे. अभी भी आपका दिमाग online है कहीं पे. Please tell me, what are you thinking by the way? जब आप offline आए हो, ऐसा result आया, ये तो better है कि आप पढ़ ले अच्छे से. अब half page के बाद I will ask 3 of you again the question, then please get ready. बैठे रहो, कोई बात नहीं. Yes. So you will read please next. The man had opened. यहाँ से start please. Reading start करो. आ जाओ. मैं बताती हूँ, आ जाओ. Come quickly. The man had opened. यहाँ तक.
The man had opened it and asked him lost another marble. He had obviously recognized by brother. No, said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. Did not get a chance to peek into the trunk. 7, I asked. Nishad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in. He said them. He smiled, but I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him.
So the man had opened it and asked him, lost another marble. तो उसने निशाद को पहचान लिया. Nishad often goes to his room just to check his marble. So Mr. Nath asked him कि एक और marble गुम गया आपका? Okay. So no, said Nishad. He had obviously recognized my brother. Obviously means clearly. So recognized क्या होता है? पहचानना, right? When you know identity of someone. So he had obviously recognized my brother. No, said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own. Nishad ने ऐसे उसका हाथ पकड़ा and he just put one chocolate on the hand and ran away. ठीक है? So what did Nishad do? He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust. Thrust means put something with force. ठीक है? So he put a bar of chocolate into it. Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk? 7, I asked. तो माया जो है उसको और किसी चीज की नहीं पड़ी, उसको सिर्फ यही पड़ेगी He's a criminal. So she asked him that, did you get chance to look into the trunk? So Nishad said that he was very disappointed. He said, no, I didn't get a chance to go inside. मैंने उसको chocolate भी दी, still he didn't invite me inside. ठीक है? But he did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. अब मैंने आपको कल बताया था, वहां पे एक रेस्टोरेंट है, वहां पे एक रमेश वर्कर है. He daily takes some meals for Mr. Nath. अब ये उसको मिलने गया है. कौन? निशाद. ठीक है? ओके देन व्हाट आपके अकॉर्डिंग उसने उसको चॉकलेट क्यों दी? निशाद ने. अरमान. Okay, number one reason, he wanted to go inside the room. Second reason. Okay. Third reason. Exactly. So third reason, from his heart of heart, अपने heart में वो सोच रहा था that he was a hungry man, he was starving. So one reason was this also, that he wanted to give him chocolate so that he can eat it and he wouldn't starve, okay, at least for some time. Okay. So these were the 2-3 reasons that he gave chocolate to Mr. Nath. Now who will read, please? Raghav. Good for you. से लेके नेक्स्ट पेज पैराग्राफ के एंड तक.
Good for you, Mr. Detective. I said, patting him on the back. I hope you questioned him properly. 7 looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he take 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening, and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. He eats always the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well.
अब रमेश ने कुछ ऐसी बात बताई है जिससे उनको फिर लगना शुरू हो गया दैट ही इज हैविंग मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीस, ये सच्ची क्रिमिनल है. अब रमेश ने क्या बताया? वन सेकेंड. गुड फॉर यू मिस्टर डिटेक्टिव. अब माया, शी इज वेरी हैप्पी कि उसको लग रहा है कि उसका ब्रदर अब थोड़ी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा है उसके साथ. आई सेड पैटिंग हिम ऑन द बैक. पैटिंग मीन्स हिटिंग जेंटली. ठीक है, जैसे आप किसी को शाबाश देते हो, हिटिंग जेंटली. आई होप यू क्वेश्चनड हिम प्रॉपरली. 7 looked pleased. Pleased means happy. 7 is very happy because he got some information from Ramesh. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals every morning and evening. एक मील वो उसके लिए मॉर्निंग लेके जाता है और एक मील in the evening. And 2 cups of tea also. He said that he is not particular about his food. वो डेली क्या खाता है? 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable and 2 cups of tea only. ठीक है. और वो पे क्या करते हैं? कैश पे करता है, उसी टाइम पेमेंट कर देता है और बहुत अच्छी टिप भी देता है. ठीक है. अगेन जो माया है उसको लग रहा है कि कोई काम तो करता नहीं है, टिप भी बहुत अच्छी दे रहा है, कैश भी पे कर रहा है. देन व्हाट्स द मैटर? ही इज हैविंग डेफिनेटली मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीस इन हिज रूम. ठीक है. सो नाउ प्लीज क्लोज योर बुक्स. आई विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस नाउ. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा इफ यू वांट टू गेट टर्न. ओके. First question
Yes.
this disturbance beta Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
So Gaurish, my question is, why Nishad, again I'm repeating the question actually, why Nishad gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath?
Ma'am, because he wanted to just give the chocolate to that person, as he ma'am, just a minute.
Book should be.
Ma'am, he wanted to give that chocolate to the to Mr. Nath because he just wanted to see inside the trunk. Is Mr. Nath is like hiding some jewel or gold, etc. And the second reason for giving it because
Mhm. किसको बोला था मैंने लास्ट टाइम? हरमीत, रवजोत, ओके, हरमीत. Okay, he thought that he was starving, so he gave him a bar of chocolate. At least he should have something to eat. Okay. Madhav. ठीक है. Who was the person he met next? किसको मिलने गया बेटा वो स्पेशली आफ्टर गिविंग चॉकलेट टू? हाँ, after giving chocolate to Mr. Nath, who was the next person he met? निशाद के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ. निशाद किसको मिलने गया? एक सेकंड. रमेश. Okay. So Ravjot, what information Ramesh gave to Nishad about Mr. Nath? Very well done. Okay. अब last time और किसने नहीं सुनाया था? Done all? Okay. So Adgun, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, why was Maya happy when he told her that he met Ramesh today? Why was Maya happy? Why she petted him?
Ma'am, because she thought that Ramesh would knew something that the Mr. Nath was a detective or not.
Criminal, yes. So she was sure that Ramesh would give some clues by which they can prove that Mr. Nath was a criminal. Is it clear, everyone? You can ask me any doubt if you have. Just quickly look 2 pages and you can ask me any word, any doubt you have, please ask me.
Ma'am, is there any word meaning in both pages?
Thrust, beta, thrust means to put, yes, to put something with the force. जो मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लिखवा है, thrust लिखवा है, petted, hit gently, yes, and pleased, happy, yes, pleased, happy, petted, hit gently, and thrust to put something with force. Recognized कर सकते हो if you want, to know someone's identity, yes. इसका कहाँ पे लिखा? क्रूक क्रिमिनल, क्रूक क्रिमिनल होता है. और एफर्ट बोल रहे हो आप? एफर्ट, afford, afford when you have money to buy something. ठीक है. Hit gently, yes. Petted का बेटा hit gently. From this side, Savya, any problem? Adgun? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No,
I
ma'am.
raised hand for giving answer.
Ma'am, I raised for reading.
Oh, beta, hidden away. Okay, no doubt. Only this page will complete, then we'll discuss something else. You explained the story today. Anyone else? जिसकी टर्न कभी नहीं आती ऑनलाइन में, आज वो आए हैं स्कूल. थोड़ा यहाँ पे आ जाओ. Seven had been. अच्छा, next. रमेश से लेके बेटा क्रूक तक.
Ramesh told me something very strange. Maya, 7 added, almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. Well done, Nishad. I told him now that we made something progress with our inquiries. Well, have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook.
So Ramesh told me something very strange. अब उसने कुछ add किया information में. Every Sunday one guest come to his house and every Sunday he take 2 meals for him. One for guest, one for Mr. Nath. And same man always comes on Sunday. He is tall, fair, stout. Stout is a large or strong man. ठीक है? And wear spectacles. ये उसकी थोड़ी सी appearance के बारे में. ठीक है? Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. अब जो visitor है वो बिल्कुल चुप ही नहीं करता और Mr. Nath है वो बोलते ही नहीं है. They are opposite actually. ठीक है? Well done, Nishad. I told him now that we have made some progress with our inquiries. अब Maya who thinks herself detective वो कह रही है हम progress कर रहे हैं अच्छा केस में हम ऐसे करते रहेंगे. ठीक है? We'll have to sort out means arrange all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. कहती है हमें ऐसी प्रोग्रेस करना होगा so that we can catch this criminal and we can just give it to police. ठीक है? तो कह रही है कि हमें ऐसी प्रोग्रेस डेली हमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन रखनी होगी अपनी. ठीक है? She is actually 10 years old girl. She is very innocent. उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता उसके बारे में और she is forming her opinion. ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ आपने खुद ही ओपिनियन फॉर्म कर लिया हो कभी? नेवर? किसी को देख के बिना बात के सोच लो कि ये तो क्रिमिनल सा लगता है. नो? एंड यू पीपल आर रेजिंग हैंड फॉर रीडिंग और आपने ओपिनियन फॉर्म किया है कभी? हुआ ऐसा? कब हुआ? And you thought he was a kidnapper? You thought that he was a kidnapper?
Yes, I was very scared. And I around 5-10 minutes. So I told the man who was standing outside the room that he continues to stay in the room. Then he told that don't look at me and come to my house for 5-10 minutes and then
Okay, maybe he was a kidnapper. We are not knowing this thing. Yes. Then Raghav. Okay. Okay. So सबने सुना इसको? So she once went to marriage. वहाँ पे एक कोई था वहाँ पे तो उसकी नॉर्मल सी ड्रेस थी. I think so. He kept on eating everything. So she thought that he was not invited actually. ये कहीं बाहर से आ गया. ऐसे होते हैं मैरिजेस में 5-6 लोग होते हैं. They just come. वो ऐसे रोड से जा रहे थे अंदर आते हैं और फ्री में खाते हैं. Yes. So she thought that. Then her father told her later that she was actually the brother of the bride or groom maybe. So that was the opinion. Sometimes we form opinion और एकदम से कुछ और ही opposite हो जाता है. ठीक है. Yes, Raghu.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, there was one incident with me also. Ma'am, my brother, मेरे brother ने मुझे like market से like मैगी लेके आने के लिए बोला तो मैं like आ ही रहा था लेके मैगी वापस और मैंने देखा कि suddenly मेरे घर के बाहर ना एक डिलीवरी बॉय खड़ा था तो मैंने सोचा कि वो मेरा इंतजार कर रहा है मुझे किडनैप कर रहा है तो हमारे घर के पास ना एक प्लॉट है उसके पास ना लाइक सीढ़ी लगी होती है चढ़ने वाली तो मैं वो फिर वहां उस सीढ़ी से चढ़ के अपने लाइक रूफ टॉप पे गया और वहां पे मैंने मम्मा को बोला जल्दी से दरवाजा खोल लो वो मैं रूफ टॉप से मैं ऊपर गया था.
When we are little children ना we form opinion और हमें सब हर किसी से डर लगता है और हमें सबका लगता है कि ये किडनैपर ही होगा. ओके.
मैम ये 5-6 महीने पुरानी बात है तो मैं ना अपने साइकिल चला रहा मैं ना तेज स्पीड पे था वो सामने से ना एक स्कूटर आ रहा था एक ना अंकल थे ओल्ड अंकल थे तो ना मैंने स्पीड होली कर ली फिर मैंने बाद में सोचा उन्होंने होली कर ही लेना है पर वो भी आ रहे थे मैं भी आ रहा था वो भी आ रहे थे मैं भी आ रहा था और जाके सीधा ठोका जो मैंने सोचा था उसका उल्टा हो गया.
Yes, Raja. Strong और large बच्चे.
Ma'am, one day I was just running in the park and I saw a man who was staring at me. He was also smoking. I was scared. He also have a little cycle with him. I complete running and then go straight to home. I never see him.
So anyone? Yes, Sitesh. It's and online also. The kidnapper, he thought there was a kidnapper in the park. Actually, it was not. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, this happens 2-3 days ago. I and my brother and my father were giving food to the stray dogs. Then suddenly two men they were coming, and I was forming such bad thoughts. Then I asked about this to my father, and they said that they came here for the Sarah function.
Ma'am, when I am 8 or 7 years old, ma'am, we go to Nikku Park and ma'am, जब मैम वापस जाने लगे थे मैम मैं घूम गया था तब साथ में कितने सारे जने थे मैं बहुत रश था मेरे को लगा आज तो मैं गया
Yes, Bishop.
मैम एक दिन क्या हुआ जब मैं शायद 5 साल का था when I was 5 years I am with my friend and an auto came and woman that speak in a man's voice and I suddenly that he was a kidnapper and he kidnapped me and my friend also told that me he kidnapped me. He scared me that and daughters goes.
But otherwise, no
Nahin.
kidnapper nahi thi. And she was a lady she was having manly voice. Okay. Okay, Akshara, are you ready? After that, I'll discuss something, please.
Yes, ma'am. मैम एक बार मैं छोटी थी काफी मतलब 5-6 इयर्स की तो दशहरे पे हम गए थे वहां पे बहुत रश था तो वहां पे एक लड़का था लाइक ठीक ठीक थोड़ा बड़ा था 20 की एज का होगा तो वहां पे मैं छोटी थी तो पापा ने मुझे उठाया हुआ था तो मैं उसे देख के बहुत डर रही थी क्योंकि उसकी शक्ल ऐसी थी वो ऐसा बिहेव कर रहा था और उसने एकदम ना पीछे झटका दिया तो मेरे को लगा मैं डर गई मैं तो रोने लगी थी फिर पुलिस आई उन्होंने पीछे पीछे किया सबको क्योंकि वो पीछे कर देते हैं ना दशहरे पे जब जलाने लगते हैं तो पीछे किया तो फिर वो चला गया तब जाके मैं थोड़ी सी शांत हुई पर मुझे वो भी उसकी थोड़ी थोड़ी शक्ल याद है
Okay, yes, childhood memories are really very they are long lasting actually. So अगर आपने कुछ बचपन में ऐसा कुछ फेस किया हो obviously you people it will go with you forever. Yes. So Hanji Raghav, quickly I want to discuss something. Yes, beta. Hanji, yes. Okay, bolo.
वो मेरा भाई पापा को कहता रात को कहीं घुमाने ले चलो तो पापा पता नहीं कोई जगह लेते हैं मेरे को वहाँ पे फाउंटेन आती थी रात को तो ना ऐसे ही मैं और मम्मा मेरी भाई और वो जो मेरा नहीं आया था वो दूसरी जगह पे हम सब खड़े थे और मेरी दादी और बूढ़ी पापा दूसरी जगह पे खड़े थे मैंने अपनी मम्मा को कहा मैं पापा को सबको बुला के लाता जब मैं बुलाने गया तो बुला के लाया लेकिन आते ही घूम गया फिर कोई मेरे को मिले ना तो मेरे भाई ने मेरे को
Okay. So everyone today, I know this is science topic, but I just want to discuss this with you. According to you, what is the meaning of the word nutrition? Anyone? बहुत सालों से पढ़ रहे हो. What is nutrition? Okay. Nutrition means process of taking food for your body, for your health, that is nutrition. Yes. Why this is important? Why eating food, balanced diet, why it is important? Harmeet. Okay, to do all the activities properly. Okay, for our growth. for all the internal processes, for good health. Okay, okay, fine. We get energy for the repair of our body organs or anyone else. Anything is left? Okay, please tell me some of the various nutrients. There are 7 types of nutrients. I hope you all know. Okay. What is the role of carbohydrate in our diet? Okay. So Shubh, what is the difference between carbs and fats, carbohydrates and fats? Shubh,
Yes, ma'am.
तो carbohydrates और fats क्या करते हैं हमारे लिए? No idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Carbohydrates.
And carbohydrates produce energy in our body, and fats produce.
No, fat give us fat to our body.
Keep sitting, please. Okay. So what is Bishop? I'm standing better right now. Class is going on. Carbohydrate give us energy. Fat also give us energy. Fat gives us twice the energy of carbohydrate, 2 times, but they make us obese also. Okay? So we need to take balanced diet. Vitamins, minerals क्या करते हैं? जल्दी से please. Vitamins and minerals क्या करते हैं? ओके, डिजीजेस के लिए फाइट करने के लिए काम आते हैं. प्रोटीन्स क्या करते हैं अरमान? ग्रोथ ऑफ आवर बॉडी. लाइक अगर आपको हाइट बढ़ानी है, यू नीड टू ईट प्रोटीन्स. ओके, एग्जैक्टली. नाउ फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स आई चेक योर लंच बॉक्स. यू मस्ट ब्रिंग बैलेंस डाइट. अभी बिशप खाने लगा है, माधव खाने लगा है. लेट्स सी व्हाट दे हैव ब्रॉट. And others also, beta, I'll meet you tomorrow, online students. Let me check their lunch box, whether they have brought balanced diet or not. Bye, beta.